Hello there. Today, I want to share with you my thoughts on the Billie Razors for Women Shave Kit. This kit comes with a women's razor, 4 5-blade razor refills, and a magnetic holder, all packaged in the beautiful Dream Pop design. Firstly, I was impressed by the quality of the razor. The handle is lightweight and easy to grip, making it comfortable to use while shaving. The 5 blades were effective in removing hair and left my skin feeling smooth and soft. I also appreciate that the razor is designed to prevent clogging, which saves time during the shaving process. The magnetic holder is also a nice touch. It's easy to install and holds the razor securely in place. Plus, the Dream Pop design is cute and adds a nice touch of color to my bathroom. Overall, I highly recommend the Billie Razors for Women Shave Kit. It's affordable, high quality, and comes with everything you need for a smooth and comfortable shaving experience. So if you're interested, be sure to check out the link in the description to order on Amazon. You won't be disappointed.